Understanding, let's take a break. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you've likely heard or will use in various situations. Let's take a break. Understanding this phrase is not just about knowing the words, but also the context in which it's used. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and nuances to help you communicate more effectively in English. Let's take a break is a suggestion or proposal to pause or stop what you're currently doing for a short period. This phrase is made up of a few key components. Let's, a contraction of let us, which is used to make suggestions that include the speaker and the listener. Take, in this context, take means to go on or to have. A break, a pause, rest, or interruption in activity. Together, it's a friendly and informal way to suggest stopping an activity temporarily. This phrase can be used in various contexts, each with its own subtle differences in meaning. In work or study sessions, to suggest a pause for rest and relaxation, helping prevent fatigue and maintain productivity. During meetings or group activities, to propose a short pause for everyone involved to refresh or discuss informally. In conversations or arguments, to cool down, suggesting a pause to prevent escalation or to take time to think. In physical activities or sports, to rest and recuperate, ensuring safety and preventing overexertion. Understanding the situation can help you use this phrase appropriately and effectively. While the words, "let's take a break," are straightforward, your tone of voice and body language can significantly impact how your message is received. A friendly, gentle tone with open body language makes the suggestion feel collaborative and considerate. In contrast, a sharp tone or closed body language might convey frustration or impatience. Always consider how you come across when using this phrase. English is a rich language with many ways to express a similar idea. Here are a few variations. Let's pause here, a more formal way to suggest a break, often used in presentations or lectures. Time for a breather, a more casual and colloquial expression, implying the need for a rest. Shall we take 5? An informal suggestion for a very short break, usually 5 minutes, often used in work environments. Knowing these variations can add flexibility to your communication and help you better adapt to different contexts. Understanding the phrase, "let's take a break," and its nuances can enhance your communication skills in English, making your interactions smoother and more effective. Whether you're working, studying, or just having a conversation, knowing when and how to suggest a break is a valuable skill. We hope this video has been helpful in exploring this common but important phrase. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.